Hello guys, Nick Jones here for pbcasttv.com, and today I've got another Ubuntu screencast for you guys. I know you probably can see, as the title of the video indicates, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my screencast under Ubuntu, which is what you're watching right now. And I believe that it's the easiest, the simplest way to do it. If you have a better way, a faster and easier way, if you want, you can share it with our community at pbcasttv.com. You can email us hello, HELLO, at pbcasttv.com, and also you can just leave a comment in the video on how you think we did on this video, and whatever, and make sure to like, thumbs up, whatever you want to call it, and subscribe. So let's go ahead and get started. First off, the thing that you want is a program, a third-party program that does screen capture, and hopefully it will do audio capture as well. There's a couple interesting ones. Let's see here. If you go to the Ubuntu Software Center and search for GTK record, maybe it's not in here. Yeah, here you go. One of the most popular ones is GTK Record My Desktop, but it records in an OGG Vorbis. I think it's a .ogv maybe video format, which is great, but the only problem is it's not supported natively on YouTube. Now granted, if you are going to do some editing to your videos, which I usually do anyway, this is one of the better options. You simply, you judge video quality here by, from 0 to 100, and I would keep it as far as you can go. Now granted, you probably want to test this a couple times, see what the best settings are for you, and this is all going to be depending on how fast your computer is and what kind of graphics processing and things like that you have on there. But it's a very simple interface, and generally this is very easy to do. You simply just say, I want the sound quality to be this, the video quality to be this, and I think it defaults to save to the my video, or the videos place, which is under places, or in your home folder. If you go to Nick or whatever your name is, and then you go to let's see, I just lost it, sorry, videos, it should be right there. So as you can see, here's one of the videos that I made about Unity. So let's go ahead, since we're on that topic, let's go ahead and show you what I use. I use a third-party program that unfortunately is not available in the Ubuntu Software Center. It's called Kazam, but it's very easy to install, and you can actually install it through a PPA, which means that you simply come into the terminal and type whatever commands that they have for you. If you head over to launchpad.net/Kazam, you can go there, and it's pretty easy to do. Here's a couple mock-ups. I can't actually show this to you guys because I'm using it, but I don't know if you can look up here on my top GNOME bar here. You can see this indicator here, and this is actually the Kazam indicator. If I wanted to finish the screen recording, you just hit finish, or you could pause it, get your thoughts together, then come back, or quit, which would simply just abort the screencast. But here's some of the navigation stuff that they do. There's the icons that they use right now. That's not really that interesting, but this is what it looks like. You can actually crop the video, and you can actually do some things. You can edit inside of Kazam, which reminds me of a screencasting program for Mac called, it's made by Telestream. I think it's called, actually I don't know what it's called. I always forget this, because I get it mixed up with Wirecast, which is, let me check. I know a lot of people on YouTube use it, like Soldier Knows Best. Why is my internet being so slow? Alright, products, ScreenFlow, that's it. Kind of reminds me of something like ScreenFlow, because you can actually edit in application, which is nice. So you can like zoom in on certain parts of the desktop, You can say like where you want the position, the height of the video, things like that. But yeah, and it produces a file format which I don't know offhand. It's the .mkv, which I believe is, let me check if it'll show us here. Madraska, maybe? I don't know how you say that, but that's a former video editor, but it's supported by YouTube. So if you wanted to, you could actually export this directly out of Kazam and upload it to YouTube. I tend to re-encode mine, or either edit them and then re-encode them, but that's all up to you. You can actually edit in Pivot, or however you say that, which comes standard with Ubuntu. And here's the start dialog. You just simply click the Kazam. You come down here to Sound and Video once it's installed, and you simply put Kazam Screencaster, and then you just do something like you know, it will just give you a countdown from 5, and you can select whatever microphone input you have. It actually defaults to your standard, but you can always go in and change your standard, which is nice. And here is the way that Kazam does it, and here is another way, which is a lot worse. You just simply say start, record screencast, crop, select quality, encode, and then you're finished. It's very easy. This is why I love Kazam. One, because it produces a video format that is able to be directly uploaded to YouTube and supported 100%. Looks great. You don't have it does all the encoding for you. You can edit inside of the application, and it also has native editing for other programs such as Kdenlive, also OpenShot, and do I have Pivot, or however you say that, installed? Yeah. It also supports editing with Pdivid. I don't know how you say this, but I'm sure you guys have heard about it. But anyway, this is something that they started recently bundling in with Ubuntu. So if you like this application, you can use it. It's awesome. I really like it, and I hope you guys enjoyed the screencast. That's pretty much all I do. And then I'll come in here and maybe add a couple titles, maybe add some overlays or something in OpenShot. And then I'll also use Arista, I think that's how you say it. I've spotlighted this on PB at Night a couple times. And I actually encode to WebM video, which I've been experimenting with, but it seems to work excellent. And I would love to hear you guys' comments as well. If you have any questions or comments, you can email us once again, hello@pbcasttv.com. Also, you can hit us up. You can hit me up on Twitter, twitter.com/thatnickjones. Also, you can leave a comment below or send us a message on YouTube if you have that capability. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and hope to see you soon. Once again, if you have any questions or comments, if you'd like for us to do another one of these screencasts on how we produce our shows or whatever, just let us know, and we'd be happy to do it. But until next time, guys, I'm Nick Jones. Hope to see you soon. Goodbye. Oh, yeah, and peace.